guy down there.
Tractor pulls of the day. We are getting a little bit thin on the ground with
It's not much of a tractor, but... Making my stomach. That's gonna...
SL12 6-wheel drive. Popular in the military. Especially the Swiss and the Swedish military. Also, the forestry people. I believe it will only be pulling in 4-wheel drive. Dylan's going to give that place a run. Going forward there. Going to apply the brakes on the sledge. There we are, the brakes are applied. All of 40 tons now as it gets into the rough stuff and possibly out of the as well.
Hi, did it, Stuffy?
You missed Alec going to the house.
I've never seen that, no. Will he not be gone for another shot now?
Going down south, down to Derbyshire with it 2 or 3 weeks, so if you want to look for that.
I don't know.
Going a lot of different places now.
No, it's just that one of
How it goes. Once again,
Told you.
he's lacking a bit of power there. Once he gets up into that ideal power bracket. Now, we're on with it.
What's up?
Getting down into the rough stuff.
It's gonna do it. That's
Got a little dancing tractor. And doing what he does best, and that's going down our runway on 2 wheels. Oh no, he's almost down to a stall